Guangzhou Mingyue Packaging Machinery is a professional supplier of packaging machines, filling machine, packing line. Our experience helps us to improve your productivity by reducing the time wasted on finding the right machine for the job. We established in 2011. Located in Guangzhou. 13 years experience, factory focus on packing machine, filling machine. Our founder has over 13 years experience in packing machine, filling machine, packing line field, so we met a lot different situation that can apply you best project. We do all sizes, different type of pack machine available including powder, liquid, granule, irregular shape, and size packing machine, grinding mixer, dryer, counting machine, counting line and powder, liquid filling machine with filling line, vertical form fill seal packaging machines, OEM packing machine, or filling machinery. Our product have been exported to many countries like USA, Canada, Mexico, Germany, France, Poland, Italy, Spain, Israel, Saudi Arabia, Russia, Thailand, South Africa, Australia, New Zealand, Egypt, Kazakhstan, Singapore, Japan, etc. We supply OEM, ODM manufacturing. Our engineers striving for my machinery, guarantee quality, service. As both manufacturer and trader, we have great quality and price control over products. Our products have passed CE certification and obtained lot patents. The management motto of our company is, develop through quality, strive for survival through quality. We can meet the needs of different clients. We can do free sample per customize and take video. Welcome to visit our factory.